Welcome to HitPaw channel. Today, I am gonna make an experiment. I want to use CapCut Video Editor and AI-powered video enhancer to enhance the same video to 4K resolution and see which one gets better result. If you find this experiment interesting, watch till the end and tell us what you think in the comment. So this is a 360p video. I imported into CapCut desktop version. Looks really blurry. I am gonna make a little adjustments to make it look clearer. Basically, I increase the sharpen value and some contrast. Looks a bit better now. Then export it in 4K, best quality. Next we open HitPaw AI Video Enhancer. Import the same 360p video. Choose the general denoise AI model. Choose 4K as the target resolution, MP4 format. Then click Export and let the AI do the work. After exporting, now let's compare the two videos. Well, as you can see, CapCut 4K has more noise, while AI Video Enhancer has a good control of the video noise. Speaking of the video quality, personally I would say AI Video Enhancer is more smoother and clearer. What do you think? Let us know in the comment. Thanks for watching. See you next time.